Hello teacher and classmate. This is my oral presentation for English Level 2. In this presentation, first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. After that, my trip experience. Then, the weather in Girardot. And finally, my recommendations. Let's start. My name is Oscar Fallanis. I am 27 years old. I am from Bogota. I live in Engativá. I live with my girlfriend. She is 27 years old. I am a student of business administration. I am a responsible person. I don't like envious people. I don't like the disorder. And I don't like noisy people. Now, my trip experience. Vacations, I went to Girardot. I stayed 4 days with my girlfriend. We stayed in a hotel of chain on vacations. The food was delicious. The cocktails were heavy, but they were strict with the meal times. The weather. The weather in Girardot is very warm and it rarely rains. The temperature generally varies from 23 degrees Celsius to 36 degrees Celsius. Okay, now my recommendations are: the people arrive at the hotel before 5 in the afternoon to receive a snack. It's necessary that you take a lot of sunscreen. It's better to wear light clothing. It's important to wear flip-flops. And finally, you shouldn't eating, drinking, or smoking in the swimming pool. Goodbye teacher and goodbye classmate. Thank you for watching.